Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. I, Miss Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, earlier we have discussed some topics of this chapter, and today also we are going to start one new topic of this chapter. Today we will discuss that how can we subtract the units of time. Now, let us take one example to understand this. Here we have to subtract 5 hours 20 minutes from 8 hours 45 minutes. So, like addition, first of all, we have to arrange these according to column. So, first of all, beta, we have to write the given units. And here you can see we have two units, okay? Hours and minutes. So, first of all, we have to write both units. So here, first of all, we have to write greater unit and then we have to write smaller unit. And you know, R is greater than minute because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So here we have to write 5 or 8. Here we have to write 8 hours. Okay. Because we have to subtract 5 hours 20 minutes from 8 hours 45 minutes. So, this we have to write upper side. So, here we have to write 8 hours and 45 minutes. And now we have to write 5 hours and 20 minutes. And now we have to subtract. And first of all, we have to subtract minutes and then hours. Now here you can see here we have 20 and here we have 45. So we have to subtract 20 minutes from 45. So we can subtract very easily. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. And now we have to subtract hours. We have to subtract 5 from 8. 8 minus 5 will give us 3. So what is the answer? Yes, 3 hours and 25 minutes will be our answer. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to subtract 5 hours 45 minutes from 9 hours 25 minutes. So here also beta, first of all we have to write both given units and here also we have hours and minutes. Okay, hours and minutes. So first of all we have to write these units. First of all hours and then smaller unit means here we have to write minutes and now we have to arrange these according to column. And here we have to subtract this from this. So we have to write this upper side and this we have to write downside. So now beta, we have to write in this column 9 and here we have to write 25 minutes and now we have to write 5 hours and 45 minutes and now we have to subtract this from this. Okay, first of all we have to subtract minutes and then we have to subtract hours. Here you can see we have 45 and here for 25. So here we have to subtract 45 from 25. But is it possible? No beta, because 45 is greater than 25. So here we need to borrow. Okay, so 25 will borrow from 9. And in this column we have minutes and in this column we have hours. So 25 will borrow from 9 hours. Okay, so here when 25 will borrow from 9, here will be 8. Here left 8 and here 9 will give 1 hour to 25 minutes. But in this column we have minutes. Okay, so here we need to convert this 1 hour into minutes. Okay, and we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here we have to write 60 minutes for this 1 hour. So here beta we have to write 60 and plus we have already 25 also. Okay, so 60 plus 25. will be 85. Okay, so here we have to write 85. 60 plus 25 will be 85. Now here we have 85 minutes and here we have 45 minutes. So here we have to subtract 45 from 85. Now we can subtract very easily. Okay, 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 4 4. Okay, so in this column we get 40 minutes as answer. And now we have to subtract this 5 from 8. 8 minus 5 will be 3. So 3 hours and 40 minutes will be answer. Friends, let us take one more example. Here we have to subtract 26 minutes 34 seconds from 40 minutes 26 seconds. Okay, so here beta you can see we have two units, minutes and seconds. So here also first of all we have to write these given units. Okay, and first of all we have to write greater unit and then we have to write smaller unit, and minute is greater than second because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so here we have to write greater unit and then smaller unit. Now we have to arrange these according to column, and upper side we have to write this because we have to subtract this from this. Okay, so 40 minutes 26 seconds we have to write upper side. So here we have to write 40 minutes and then 26 seconds. Now we have to write in this column 26 minutes and then 34 seconds. And now we have to subtract. Okay. First of all, we have to subtract seconds and then minutes. So here in this column we have 26 and 34. We have to subtract 34 from 26. But beta, here you can see 34 is greater than 26. So is it possible? No beta, we cannot subtract 34 from 26. So what we will do? Yes, here also we need to borrow. So 26 seconds will borrow from 40 minutes. Okay, 26 will borrow from 40. Okay, so when 40 will give 1 to 26. Here left only 39. Okay, and 40 minutes will give 1 to 26 seconds. Okay, so here become 27. No, it's wrong because here 40 minutes and here 26 seconds and 40 minutes will give 1 minute. Okay, will give 1 minute to 26 seconds. So here in this column we have seconds. Okay, so here beta we need to convert this 1 minute into seconds, and we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So here we have to write 60 seconds, and here 26 we have already. Okay, so 60 plus 26 will be 86. So here we have 86 and here we have 34. Now we have to subtract 34 from 86. 6 minus 4 2 and 8 minus 3 will be 5. So in this column our answer is 52 seconds. Now we have to subtract 26 from 39 minutes. 9 minus 6 3 and 3 minus 2 1. So what is the answer? 30 minutes 52 seconds will be our. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to subtract 7 years 11 months from 9 years 9 months. Okay, so here also first of all we have to write given units, and here we have years and months. So first of all we have to write both units upper side. First we have to write greater unit and then we have to write smaller unit, and you know 1 year is equal to 12 months. So year is greater than months. Okay. So first we have to write greater unit and then we have to write smaller unit. And now we have to arrange these according to column. Okay. And now beta, we have to subtract this from this. So 9 years, 9 months we have to write upper side, and 7 years, 11 months we have to subtract. So this we have to write downside. So in this column we have to write 9. Okay. Here we have to write 9 years and 9 months. And now we have to write 7 years. And in this column we have to write 11. And now we have to subtract. And we have to subtract first. We have to subtract months and then we have to subtract years. Here we have to subtract 11 from 9. But 11 is greater than 9. So we cannot subtract 11 from 9. So what we will do? Yes beta. Here also we need to borrow. Okay. So here this 9 will borrow from this 9 years. Okay. So here this 9 will borrow from this 9. Okay. And here we have 9 years. So here left only 8. Okay. And this 9 years will give 1 year to this 9 months. Okay. So beta, here 1 year, this 9 will give 1 year to 9 months. But in this column we have months. So here we need to convert this 1 year into months. And we know 1 year is equal to 12 months. So in this column we have to write 12. Okay. 12 months plus we have 9 also already. Okay. So 12 plus 9 will be 21. 21. So now we have to subtract 11 from 21. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 1 1. And here left only 8. So here we have to subtract this 7 from 8. 8 minus 7 1. So what is the answer? 1 year 10 months will be our answer. 1 year and 10 months. Okay. I hope you all have understood that how can we subtract the units of time. Now you have to solve one question. You have to subtract 7 years 7 months from 10 years 3 months. Okay.